What's up guys, Dr. Ray coming at you with another video, and today we're going to talk about FANTOM. But before we get into it guys, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I really appreciate it and it really helps the channel out. Alright, let's get started. So look guys, like I've always said, you want to be focusing on the actual layer 1 and layer 2 solutions. You want to be focusing on knowing and keeping up to date on what the actual protocols are, right? Because these are the systems that form the base layer of cryptocurrency. Everything has to be built on these, right? So, you know, FANTOM is a project that's been in development for a long time, all right? And it's a project I've been following for a while, but really things have taken off recently. You know, just look at the chart here. Things have just exploded, right? You know, we're sitting at a market cap of $2 billion. The price is 77 cents. And what that tells me is there's a lot of upward movement that can happen. Again, I like to compare these things to Cardano, but I also don't like to compare them to Cardano. But if we're comparing it to Cardano, just in terms of price, you know, Cardano, which is going to be, you know, a new blockchain, which I think is going to be, you know, the big play of the second half of this year, is sitting at 43 billion market cap, and FANTOM is sitting at 2 billion market cap, right? So this is a protocol that you can actually use. You can use FANTOM. You know, there's projects built on it right now. We can go on FANTOM right now and we can yield farm, right? We can swap tokens, we can use the dexes, we can actually do things. And you have Cardano, which you can't do anything with, and it's sitting at 43 billion. You know, now I'm not saying whether that's a bullish sentiment or a bearish sentiment for either of these two projects. I'm just saying, you know, it's good to compare, you know, similar projects, because that can show you what the potential upside is, right? You have a project where you can actually use it, and you know, it's only at 2 billion, and you know, that's crazy. Like, that just shows you what the potential upside of a project like FANTOM is. But again, not financial advice. You need to go out there, get in the Telegram groups, get on, you know, go on Reddit, go in Discords, talk to people who are invested in FANTOM, talk to people who are using it, go and use the network yourself, bridge money over there, you know, take a shot at it and see what it's all about, and then make your decision, you know. And you should be doing that with Matic, with Solana, with Avalanche, with Elrond, with Binance Chain, which I hope you're already exploring and into at this point, because it's, you know, it's a little bit late to the game in terms of Binance, but you know, so get out there and use these things. That's the easiest way to learn, is just use them, right? I spent the whole day just playing around with FANTOM and looking at the different projects, you know, figuring out how the different farms were, trying all the different dexes, and just talking to people in Telegram that I know, learning about the ecosystem more and more and more and more. Because like I said, this is a project I've been following for a long time, but you always learn new things, okay? So again, what is FANTOM? FANTOM is a blockchain, okay? It's like Ethereum, you know, it's like Matic, it's like Solana. It's somewhere that's, you know, projects are gonna build on it, okay? So it's a smart contract platform. That's what it is. And it's fast and it's cheap, okay? So we compare it to something like Ethereum, which, look, to be honest with you, Ethereum is great. There's tons of stuff built on Ethereum. Ethereum has first mover advantage, but Ethereum has a lot of rebuilding that it needs to do, right? What is the biggest issue with Ethereum? The cost, okay? End of story. Nobody is going to use Ethereum in the real world, okay, unless they can solve the cost, okay? It's absolutely ridiculous that you have to pay, you know, even $10, okay? Sometimes you're paying up to $30, $40, sometimes you pay $80 on Ethereum, okay? It's absolutely ridiculous. It's unacceptable. If Ethereum is going to have some real world adoption, they need to fix that, because a normal person is not going to pay those fees, okay? Let me be real. A normal person doesn't even want to pay a 10-cent fee or a 5-cent fee, right? You know, that's just not going to happen. People don't want to pay fees, right? So the next challenge for blockchains is they need to figure out the whole fee issue, okay? We need to bring fees down to the point where they are negligible, where you don't even notice them. And Binance Chain almost accomplished that, but still now you're paying almost 16 cents, you know, sometimes up to 50 cents, 70 cents. It doesn't feel good, right? But we're willing to pay that fee because we see the returns. But the regular person who's just wanting to use, you know, whatever dApp they want to use, they aren't going to pay those fees. No. So look, guys, you know, these kind of videos, I don't like to bore you too much going over and talking about the protocol and what it is and what it does and all that. Look, at the end of the day, we all know what it is. Okay, it's a protocol, it's a blockchain, it's a layer 1 solution. You can build stuff on it. End of story. That's all we need to know. It's a legit project. We don't need to know the nuances of, you know, this partnership and that partnership. That's irrelevant, okay, to us at this point, okay, because we're not buying these at a pre-sale. We're not buying these at public sale. We need to know all the specifics of it. No, okay. So what I like to focus on is what can you actually do with it, okay? And so what do we see? We see projects like Hyperjump, projects that are on BSC coming over to Phantom, right? This is bullish. This is bullish. We're seeing projects that are going to be opening farms. You know, you can come in here and you can use this. You can exchange funds. You can exchange Phantom to their native Aurora token and get ready for farming. Okay, we have other platforms like Spooky Swap. Okay, where you can actually come in here and you can farm. Look at these pairs. Okay, you know, you have USDT paired with Phantom, USDC paired with Phantom, you know, tons of different pairs here. You know, same thing. You got Spirit Swap, a competitor to it. You know, so you have actual yield farms that are going on here that you can use, that you can do things with, okay? So that's the great thing about Phantom right now, is it's actually usable, right? And so we're transitioning from, you know, the period of time where there was really nothing that you could do with you know, your cryptos, right? What could we do with cryptos in the past? Just buy them and hold them. That's it. Look at our bags. You know, maybe we trade them. That's it. What came next? DeFi summer, right? Where we could actually use our cryptos. We could farm with them. Then what came? NFTs. Well, NFTs were around for a long time, but they never really took off until recently, right? Then what are people seeing? Well, we can trade these things. We can, you know, make artwork with it. We can sell the artwork. You know, we can buy our favorite influencers NFTs, right? So actual use cases is what we're seeing now. 2020 and 2021 have shown that there are actual use cases for crypto, okay, that people can use on a day-to-day basis, right? And this is what the narrative is going to be for the next few years, okay? So one thing people are wondering is, how do you actually get your assets to Phantom, okay? So what you can do is, there's a few options. One option is multichain.xyz, and you can come in here and you can basically bridge your assets from, it won't show up here because I'm not connected, but you can bridge your assets like wrapped Ethereum from your Ethereum wallet to your Phantom wallet, and then you're good to go, right? The only thing is you need to make sure that on your Phantom wallet you have some Phantom, so you will need to bridge some Phantom over as well, okay? The other option is you use this wallet here. So this is called F Wallet. So it's fwallet.phantom.network. And what you can do is you can come in here and you can bridge your assets. You can move your assets from your ERC20 or BEP20 wallet. You can move it from those wallets into this wallet, and then from this wallet you can send it to your Phantom wallet. And then that's how you get your funds onto Phantom. And then from there you just go ahead and do what you want to do. Okay? So again, guys, I think this is really the next play. This is really what people need to be paying attention to. These layer 1 and layer 2 solutions. So basically, what are the blockchain plays? Okay, so the actual operating systems of cryptocurrency. So, you know, Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, those are the big players. You know, Cardano and Polkadot are the upcoming next big players. And then we have our smaller plays, you know, Solana, Avalanche, Polygon, and Elrond. And then let's not forget about Cosmos. And there's probably a couple other ones that, you know, I haven't spent too much time researching. But these are really the things to pay attention to, because these are the ecosystems of crypto, okay? And these are the places where we have all of our other applications and NFT platforms and DeFi solutions all built upon, okay? So these are really the backbone of the industry, and it's gonna pay off if you pay attention to these things, okay? So again, guys, I appreciate you guys staying tuned and staying till the end. If you liked the video, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. It really helps me out, it helps the channel out, and see you later. Thanks.